locate the TikTok app. Okay, this is my profile. Now edit the profile and change the name. But you can see that I cannot be able to change the name unless I wait for 30 days. But I don't have all that time. Let me show you how to do it. Locate the settings app. Now go to time and backup. Date and time. Okay. Now click date. I want to choose a date. Let me choose 31st of January. Okay, I've just adjusted the date. Okay, let's go back to the TikTok app. Just play with it a little bit. So you can now be able to change the username. Let me change it to something like this. Allow it to load.